Hey everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. In today's episode, I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes, prawn pulao. This is something that my mom has taught me and it is so flavorful, hardly any work, but just tastes amazing. You can also call it biryani if you want to layer it instead of making it all together like I do. But trust me, pulao is the simplest and best version. So let's get started.
I have of course taken 250 grams of prawns here. These are deveined and deshelled. And now in these prawns, I'm going to add in salt for marination. And then along with this salt, I'm going to add in some turmeric, say half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then goes in some asafoetida, that is hing. This is just like 1/8 teaspoon or so. After that, I'm going to add in this paste. This is ginger, garlic plus coriander paste. So I've taken around 3 to 4 inches of ginger, 20 cloves of garlic and a little bunch of coriander in this. Once that is done, I'm going to add in some red chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon of spicy red chili powder plus 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color. And then I'm going to add in some pudina chutney. So this is the usual pudina chutney that we usually add in our sandwiches. I had taken, say, if I've taken half cup of pudina, then I take 1 cup of coriander and some 7-8 cloves of garlic and I make pudina chutney out of it. So this is the pudina chutney that I've added. And then I'm going to add in some garam masala. This is going to add a lot of punch and we add it right at the marination stage. So here it goes. And I'm just going to mix all of this together with the prawns. Now I'm going to keep these marinated prawns aside for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, the next step that I'm going to do is basically take rice. So if I've taken 250 grams of prawns, I've taken 300 grams of long grain basmati rice and I have just soaked it in water. And I'm going to let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes in water at least. So this is also ready. The marination of prawn is ready. Now let's move on to making the actual pulao. Now in a kadai, I'm going to add in some oil, like so. Let the oil heat up a little bit. Now once the oil heats up a little bit, I'm going to add in some khada masala. So here I have 2 bay leaves. So I'm going to add the bay leaves here. Then I have 2 badi elaichi or black cardamom. That also goes in here. Then I have around 3, 4 and 5 green cardamoms, that is green elaichi, and I've just like broken them a little bit, just crushed them, and I'm going to add that also in the oil. Along with that, I'm going to add a little bit of star anise here. Then very little javitri. I have around 1 inch of dalchini, that is cinnamon stick. Then in this I have 12 peppercorns and 7 cloves. So I'm going to add all of this and just mix this till it starts releasing some aroma. Now once these start releasing some aroma, I'm going to add in 4 chopped onions and 2 chopped green chilies in this. Mix it well. Now that these onions are nice golden brown, I'm going to add in 2 chopped tomatoes in this. And I'm going to cook this till the tomatoes are completely mushy and cooked and all of this comes together. Now as you can see, the tomatoes are completely cooked and this has started releasing oil. So this is done. Now at this stage, I'm going to add in our marinated prawns to this onion tomato mixture. I've also cut 1 medium-sized potato. I'm going to add this to the prawns as well. And then I'm going to mix all of this together. Now once these prawns are thoroughly mixed, I'm just going to reduce my flame to a little slow, and on slow flame I'm just going to cover and cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes till the prawns start releasing its own water. Now let's check what's happening with our prawns. Wow, look, this has released some nice water. Now I'm just going to mix this again. This is mixed well. Our prawn masala is ready. In this, I'm going to add the rice. I've drained all the water in which this was soaking. And then I'm going to mix this rice with the prawns. carefully with very light hands. I'm going to mix this. I don't want the rice grain to break. Now while mixing this, I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of ghee in this, like this. And then I'll also add some coriander with stems at this stage. This is just for some more flavor. And I'm going to mix this with the rice again. We're going to add some hot water in this. So whatever the quantity of rice, add double the quantity of water and a little more. Put hot water only. Once you add water, I'm going to also add in some salt in this. Remember, we only added salt for prawn marination and for nothing else. I'm also going to add in some salt in here. And bring this to some nice boil. Now once this starts bubbling, just reduce the flame to a little higher than low. So basically between low to medium. And cover and cook till the rice completely absorbs the water and our pulao is ready. You can always open the lid and check how it's done. If you want, you can just give it a mix and again cover it and keep it till it's completely done. Now let's check. It's been 15 minutes. I've been checking it in between and my rice seems to be completely cooked. There is one last step that is remaining and it is pretty much a game changer. So firstly, I'm going to switch off the flame. I'm just going to make like 5 holes with the back of a spoon like this. In these cavities, I'm going to add in some ghee. So just keep on adding some ghee in every cavity here. Top this up with some nice fresh coriander. And we are done. So at this stage, don't immediately eat it. You just put some ghee. Just going to close this and keep this closed for around 10 minutes. And then once you open the lid, just mix this rice and you will have an amazing prawn pulao ready to eat.
Hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it was. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye bye.